Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a project called Modern Agriculture. Let's see the description. Modern agriculture is for providing machineries to the farmers in rental basis. Because nowadays farming is much more advanced because many technologies invented some machineries which are very helpful for farming and produce much more crops in within little span of time. But the difficult thing here is farmers cannot afford to own a machinery on their own because these machineries are very expensive and a farmer cannot have every kind of machinery within him. So we have came up with an idea that providing a platform and giving machineries for rental basis is an amazing idea that it will help farmers to rent the machinery based on their need on the basis of days and hours, and they will pay the relevant amount and have this machinery need them use them and farm. So in this way we are providing this machinery rental service through this website. Let's look at the flow of this web application. In this web application, we have three modules for admin, machinery, and farmer. Admin is a person who handles this website and verify the machinery and do all these things. Admin will have predefined login credentials. Admin will log in with predefined login credentials. Will view all the machineries whoever registered through this website and verify their account. This is to provide authentic services through our website. Admin can add locations. These locations represents in this particular location the services available. Admin can view the locations he added previously. Now let's move on to provider module. Machinery providers have to register as we discussed earlier. While registration, they have to give their ID proof, email address, phone number. After registration, their accounts will be verified by the admin. After verified and activated by admin, machineries can log in into their accounts. After logging into their accounts, machineries will add their machineries and they can view all the machinery list they have. Farmers also have to register in order to make these rental bookings. So they have to give their name, email, and they have to choose the location where they are from. After logging into their accounts, farmers can search and view machineries available from different machinery providers. All the machineries will be visible to the farmer. After finding a machinery, if anything they want to book, they will send the request. They have to choose from date and to days that represents how many days they want this machinery. They have to pay the relevant amount and confirm the booking. This rental booking request will send to the machinery relevant machinery provider who is actually providing that machinery. The machinery provider can accept or reject it. After accepting the booking, machinery provider will hand over the machine to the farmer. After completely using this machinery, farmer can send a return request. Machinery provider will accept the return request and mark as machinery return. After returning the machinery, farmers will or can give reviews and rating for the performance of the machinery. This is the complete flow of the website. Let's look at the actual website. This is the homepage of Modern Agriculture. This is the homepage. Administrator will have default credentials as admin@gmail.com and password as admin. This is the homepage of admin. Admin, first of all, will view the machinery providers. As of now, no machinery providers register. So first we will add the locations. Admin will add the locations where this rentals is available. Location added. You can see the locations here. Now let's move on to machinery provider. Machinery providers have to register first, so they have to click on register. They have to give their name, they have to give their email ID, they have to choose their ID proof, which is driving license, etc. They have to give their number. They have to choose the locations which are added by the admin. They have to mention their password as well. After successful registration, machinery providers can log in. Before, machinery providers cannot log in into their account until admin activates, verifies and activates them. So let's log in as admin. When he clicks on machinery provider, admin can view all the machinery providers that are registered and their active account details and the status of the account as well. So if he want to activate, he will just click on activate. Now machinery providers can actually enter into their accounts. This is the home page of machinery provider. Machinery providers can add machinery. When they click on add machinery thing, they have to give the names of the machinery, insurance for this particular machinery, price they are charging per hour and day as well. They have to choose the file, I mean the image of the machinery and add. They can also view the added machineries as well. Now let's move on to former module. Formers also have to register first by giving their name, email, phone number. They have to mention their age. They have to choose the location, password. Registration is successful. Now formers can log in with the email and password they have mentioned while registration. This is the former homepage. When they click on view machinery, formers can see all the machineries from different machinery providers. This is from another provider, this is from another provider. When they click on about machinery, formers can view a little description about the machine. They can see per hour price, per day price, the ratings and everything. If they want to confirm this booking, formers will click on book now. Formers should select the duration they want this particular machinery. So they have to book it. So this is the order summary, which machine they have selected, what is the day price, if there is an hours, how many hours, the payment will be based on that. You can see that 2 days and 0 hours. Total amount. Here as well we can see total amount. So farmer will have to give their card number, name on card, expire date and CVV. They have to confirm the booking. Booking confirmed. The bookings will be visible when they click on new bookings. Here we can see the former name, booking date and the status of it, which machine they selected, everything will be visible. a new bookings page. This request will send to the relevant machinery provider. Machinery providers can view these things in new bookings page. Here, machinery providers can see the former name and phone number as well and the status of it. If they accept, they have to click on hand over to former. This means the machinery is hand over to the former. If former wants to return the machinery, they have to send the request. New bookings. Here, return. This request will send to the relevant machinery provider. When they click on new bookings, return accept. This history will stored in booking history. Every cancelled, rejected, every booking of action will be stored in this booking history page. This is now farmers have to give ratings and reviews for this machinery. Let's see. Booking history. They can view this give review button. They have to choose the rating they want to give. They have to give some comment on it. Review gift. This will reflect on the machinery here. We can see the rating, which rating and reviews and date as well. So this is all about modern agriculture project. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching.